to the coding session. And for the coding, I am using the Spider IDE, and this is my Spider IDE, Spider Integrated Development Environment, which is available in Anaconda Navigator. And I set my path as Python course, and in this Python course, I make a subfolder tweet extraction, and in this tweet extraction subfolder, in this tweet extraction subfolder, I make a tweet extraction.py Python file where we are using this code, where we are going to scrape the tweets from the Twitter. So first of all, let me import the libraries, mainly the TweetPy and the matplotlib. Now I already entered my consumer key and custom consumer secret key, access token and access token secret key, and I saved them. So I'm not executing this because it will get to null. I already initialize these variables. So if you are seeing this script, you don't see my secret keys, but in this script you have to just enter your secret keys. I already entered and run this variable and store this variable. So now I executing this auth and auth access token and API. Now I am going to search the tweets for keyword, like I'm searching about the Rahul. I enter the name Rahul, and after this I execute this number of terms like 100, or you can say like yes 100 tweets. And next I want the tweet, so I this use function twitter.cursor. Twitter.cursor is a library of TweetPy. TweetPy.cursor is a library in the TweetPy. Sorry, cursor is the class in the TweetPy library. So I'm using this cursor class for extracting the tweets. And here I extract the tweets, and here it search the 100 tweets, and it extract all those tweets where the Rahul came up from the 100 tweets, like you can say that. So as you can see 100 from in all the 100 tweets, in the all above recent 100 tweets, this Rahul word is used. If you see, like if you when you write the 1,000 tweets or 10,000 tweets, then also it will gain all those 1,000 tweets, recent 1,000 tweets which are for Rahul. So it's not like it takes the first 100 tweets, and it from the 100 tweets where the Rahul comes, it takes those tweets. It's not like that. It will take the top 100 tweets where the Rahul keyword is used. So let's see the tweets. So these are the tweets, and let's see some tweets for tweet in tweet text. Print tweet. Tweet underscore. So these are the whole tweets, like I can feel your pain through your eyes, Rahul. And these are the some tweets for the Rahul. Like if you want to see the first tweet, then you can just write tweet text 0. This is the first tweet, and if you write like this is the second tweet. So like this you can extract the tweets from the Twitter by using these four keys, and you can hold these keys easily from the Twitter development, from the Twitter development account. And this code is also available in Twitter development account. Like when you sign in the when you sign in the Twitter development account, then you can find this code also, and you can find this code anywhere. This code is not like I make this code from my own. This code is already available in every area, so that everyone can use this code to extract the tweets. And from this tweet, when we get the tweets, you can see I can print the text, I can extract the text from the tweets, and I also show you the tweets from the all those 100 tweets that we get. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay motivated and keep learning.